What if astronauts flying around the moon suddenly saw something no human was ever supposed to see? In 2025, Artemis II will send humans back toward the moon for the first time in over 50 years. But when their spacecraft passes behind the moon, Earth will lose contact with them completely. For a few minutes, the far side of the moon is one of the most mysterious places in the solar system. Humans never see it from Earth. When a spacecraft moves behind the moon, all communication disappears. No signals, no radio, just silence in deep space. The last time humans experienced this moment was during Apollo 8. As their spacecraft moved behind the moon, radio contact with Earth suddenly vanished. For several minutes, those astronauts became the most isolated humans in history. Now imagine that moment happening again during Artemis II. But the far side of the moon is very different from the side we see. It's covered with enormous craters, ancient scars from violent collisions billions of years ago. One of the biggest mysteries is the massive South Pole Aitken Basin, a gigantic impact basin so large it could hold secrets. Astronauts on Artemis II will carry powerful cameras and sensors. They may photograph places humans have never seen before. Hidden caves, unexplored craters, and possible landing sites for future missions. Every image they capture could reveal new secrets about the moon. But the most intense moment will happen when the spacecraft moves behind the moon. At that moment, Earth will lose contact with the astronauts. For a few minutes, they will orbit the far side completely alone, looking down at a world few humans have ever seen. And when communication with Earth finally returns, scientists around the world will be waiting. Because the real question is, what might Artemis II discover on the dark side of the moon?